This video will show you how to post an article and summary for your current event assignment. As you can see, we are in the Hour 1 current event page, and we're going to be using the toolbars up here to add our link and summary. I've already created the link for my website. The article is about augmented reality toys, and you can see that if I click on this, it opens up to show the URL or the web address of this article, and I can edit that web address or remove it. You will be using the edit button to make sure that this little window is turned on, open in new window. Make sure that is checked, and then hit the edit link button so that when you click this link, it will open up in a new tab or a new window so that people can read the article and type at the same time. When you add your summary, you're going to be using the table box right here. I'm going to click this to insert a table, and I'm going to choose a 1-by-1 table. Now, let me make sure I'm in the right place to do this. We want to make sure it's underneath my article. And I'm going to go ahead and insert that table, and it creates this rectangular cell which I can now type in. Okay, so without doing a full summary, I'm just going to type a few sentences so you can see how this works. If I hit enter, the table expands so that I can continue to write, and in the end, I will have my summary written out based on the instructions on the current event page. Okay, now when you do a response to another student's article, you need to repeat this process. You would click underneath their summary, go up to table, insert table, 1-by-1 table, and then you would provide your response. Tell them that what you thought of the article, or you could ask them questions. What do you think about the article that you wrote or that you summarized? And then you would be done. Once you have typed your summary or your response, you will need to go, make sure you're still on the edit page, you will need to go down to the save button and save this information so that it's now permanently on the website. Okay? It's important that you please make sure that you do not delete things from other students. Please take your time, use the settings properly, and make sure that you are adding things correctly so that other people's work does not get deleted from the website. If something happens, I can go back and restore things to a certain point, but I would prefer that we make sure we're being careful and not deleting anything in a hurry. Again, in order to add something to the website, you're going to need to hit the edit button. And when you create your article link, you're going to need to use the add link button to, I'll show you here on Mr. Papke. If I highlight this and then I hit add link, and then it allows me to paste my web address into this window. I would delete Mr. Papke and paste my information into that window and then hit enter, and it would save that as a web address link similar to what I've done already with the augmented reality toys. If you have questions, make sure you ask me in class. Otherwise, these will need to be done in a week, and we will be responding to them a little bit later in class.